Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 3 of chapter 3, Advanced JavaScript. Students, in our last part we have discussed about the looping statement, two types of looping statements, for loop and while loop, meaning of for loop, working of for loop, syntax of for loop, while loop, meaning of while loop, working of while loop, syntax of while loop, break statement and continue statement used in JavaScript. Now we will discuss about objects in JavaScript. Objects in JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-based scripting language. Almost everything is an object in JavaScript. A JavaScript object is an entity having state means properties and behavior means methods. An object can group data together with functions needed to manipulate it. Look around you, you will find many examples of real world objects such as table, board, television, bicycle, shop, bus, car, monitor, etc. All these tangible things are known as objects. Take an example of car object. It has properties like name, model, weight, color, etc. and method like start, stop, brake, etc. All cars have same properties but contain different values from car to car. All cars have same methods but perform differently. Let's see one example of car object. The diagram shows car object, properties and methods of car object. Car object having the properties name, model, weight and color. The way of using properties are mention the car object, then dot operator and then property name. For example, car dot name equal to Ferrari, car dot model equal to F430, car dot weight equal to 1517 kg, car dot color equal to red. Also methods, if you see methods, mention the car object with method name, car dot start, car dot drive, car dot brake, car dot stop, etc. So if you want to use the property or methods, you have to first mention the name of that object and then by using the dot operator you can access the property and methods of that particular object. Properties and methods of objects are accessed with dot operator. JavaScript supports two types of objects, built-in objects and user-defined objects. First, built-in objects such as mass, string, array, date, etc. and second is user-defined object. JavaScript gives facility to create user-defined objects as per user requirement. The new keyword small new is used to create a new object in JavaScript. For example, here d is a variable, d equal to new keyword space use date function. Now d is new instance created for date object. The another important part is document object model, DOM. When HTML document is loaded into a web browser, it becomes a document object. It defines logical structure of the document. The way in which HTML document content is accessed and modified is called as document object model. It is programming interface for HTML and XML, that is extensible markup language documents. The standardization of DOM was founded by W3C World Wide Web Consortium. Many times this question is asked in the exam. What is the long form of W3C? So long form is World Wide Web Consortium, which works for standardization of web technologies. According to the W3C document object model DOM is a platform and language neutral interface that allows programs and script to dynamically access and update the content, structure and style of a document. The figure shows hierarchy of document object model. In the first level, window object. In second level, location object, document object, navigator object, history object, and in third level, the form objects, link object, image object and anchor object. Here window is a parent object of all the other object. Window object consists of location object, document object, navigator object and history object. The diagram further classified into sub-part of document object. Document object consists of form object, link object, image object, anchor object. Form object having some other object like text box, checkbox, radio button, submit button, etc. So this is a hierarchy of document object model. Let's see the properties and methods of document object. Property of document object. There are 5 properties: head, title, URL, body and IMG. First, head property returns the head element of the document. Second property, title, sets or returns the title of the document. Third property name is URL, which returns full URL of the HTML document. Body and IMG returns body and IMG elements respectively. So this is regarding properties of document object. Now methods of document object. The figure shows 2 methods, write method and write-ln method. Write method writes HTML expressions or JavaScript code to a document. Write-ln method is just same as write method but adds a new line character after each statement. And the last important method of document object is get element by ID method. There are many ways of accessing form elements, of which the easiest is by get element by ID method, in which ID property is used to find an element. The get element by ID method is generally used with the inner HTML property of JavaScript. The inner HTML property. The inner HTML property is useful for getting HTML element and changing its content. The inner HTML property can be used to get or change any HTML element, including HTML and body tag. Let's see the example of inner HTML property. Open the HTML tag, open head tag. First we will see the body tag. Body tag contain h1 tag, align center. This is my local web page. Close h1 tag. Mention p tag with one id equal to a1, style equal to background dash color yellow, color red, font dash size equal to 40 pixels. Contents are by using inner HTML property, we can get and set the content of any HTML element. Close P. So here ID equal to A1. In next line mention input type equal to button, value equal to change the contents. Use on click event, call para1 function on that on click event. Close body, close HTML. Now go to the head section. In head section, if you want to use title, write title tag, write title, close title tag, write script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. mention one function para1 having the content variable x equal to document dot get element by id method. Pass a1 id to that get element by id method dot inner html equal to p tag. Inner HTML property is used to create the dynamic web pages. Close p, close curly braces, close script and close head. Here id a1 is used, which is mentioned in p id equal to a1. So normally when you execute this code, you will get the output by using inner HTML property. We can get and set the content of any HTML element. But when you use inner HTML property with the id passes in get element by id method with dot inner HTML property, the newest content inner HTML property is used to create the dynamic web page which will be displayed. Save the program, run on the browser. You will get the output. Before clicking the button, you will get this output having the content. By using inner HTML property, we can get and set the contents of any HTML element. When you click on this button, you will get this output. Here contents are changed. Contents are inner HTML properties used to create the dynamic web pages. So this is a simple example of inner HTML property. Let's see the another example of inner HTML property given in our textbook. Here in body section p tag id is para and the contents is welcome to the site. In head section, when you are using script tag, mention the function change text3 function. Here in this change text3 function, we are using inner HTML property with the para id of get element by id method, and the content is the combination of three variables: style, text and close style. Close script, close body. Save the program, execute on the browser. First you will get this output, welcome to the site. When you click on this button, you will get this output, welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript. So this is another example of inner HTML property. So inner HTML property is generally used to get the HTML element and change its content. It is generally used with the document object method get element by id method. We will continue with window object in our next part. In our next part, we will see the property and description of window object, methods and description and meaning of window object. Some methods of window object we have already used in 11th standard. For example, alert method, confirm method, prompt method, etc. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.